Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we are going to explore how we can set up a WordPress website locally using BitNami installer. This method requires no domain, no hosting, and especially useful if you are new to WordPress and afraid of how your website will look if you are not aware of and just want to test your website before spending even a penny and launching it live. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first thing first you need to do is you need to download BitNami installer. So let me quickly show you how you can. For that, let me quickly open my browser and here I'm gonna type BitNami WordPress installer download. And there we go. Now simply click on this first link. And not to worry guys, I'm gonna also provide the same link in the description of this video. From there you can directly reach there. Now we need to click on sign in and then you can sign up or sign in using your Google account. So I'm gonna quickly sign in using my Google account. Now what we need to do is we need to click here on my computer. Now previously we used to see option of installing it to a particular OS, for example Windows, Mac or Linux. But now if you want to install it in your system, they are now only providing virtual machine. So no matter which OS you have, you just need to download this OVA format. Now we're going to download this. So in order to open this OVA format, as you can see here, we need to get VM player or VirtualBox. So let me quickly show you how you can get VirtualBox. For that, let me open another tab. And now I'm gonna write here Oracle VirtualBox, and now just click on it and you can download the latest VirtualBox from here. So just click on download VirtualBox and then here you can choose your OS. So I'm currently using Windows. I can click on Windows, and that's how guys we can download this Oracle VirtualBox. Now you need to simply install it. The installation process is straightforward. You just need to make a double click and then you need to run it. So since I already have it, I'm not going to install it again, but it is just next process. So let me now cancel it. Let's have a look on our downloaded BitNami WordPress. So let me click on cancel these and now let me go back here on download. Now I can actually open this file with my VirtualBox. After installing Oracle VirtualBox, now here we will start it. So I'm gonna open my VirtualBox. Here I need to click here on tool, or you can also click on file, then click on import appliance. Now here we need to choose the file. So let me go to download and choose this OVA file. Now let me click next. And here if you want to change some settings, you can do that later on. Now click on finish. Now here we need to accept a license agreement, and that's how guys we have successfully set up our BitNami WordPress. Now if you want to modify this virtual machine, you can click on settings. There you can improve your RAM, processor and other settings. Okay, so these changes are not mandatory, but I am doing it. Now let me click here start. So this basically will start BitNami. So you can choose the first one and hit enter. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my browser tab and let me actually open side by side. And now I need to enter the following URL, which is http then / 192.168.1.85, and now let me hit enter. So this actually took me to this page. Now let me again press /. And now let me type wp admin. So now this will take me to this wp admin side, and now here we can see the default username is user. So let me enter here user. Password here is following, so I will have to type it. Now let me click on login, and there we go. In this way guys, we can successfully log in inside our WordPress dashboard. Now you can play, make, edit, change themes, or do whatever you want to create your masterpiece. And once you are satisfied, you can take a backup or you can migrate and make it live. For that, you can use some of popular plugin. For example, let me quickly show you. Updraft. So you simply need to install this plugin, and after your website is ready, just take a backup, and it will also ask you to sign in using your account such as Google. And then what you can do is after you backed up your final website, you simply need to install the same plugin in your live website and simply click on restore. So backup and restore, you will find it here. So in this way guys, you can set up and test your complete website for free, and once you are satisfied, you can pay and host it online. And remember guys, in this particular case, as of now, as we have installed this website locally to your machine, which means that this is not accessible from internet. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more such content. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in comment section below, and I will be more than happy to help you. I will catch you soon in my next one. Until then, you take care and bye bye.